don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by Mr. Mjo.
Thibo kunjani mfethu?
Angimnandi.
Ya mfethu asizolana nayo Sundowns njengoba idliwe yabona. Because i-ball position bebayiphethe 63%
sure.
Versus 38% yelona ye-Pyramids. But other than that isitasu uzotholakala nathi masisithola kucala yabona.
Ngiyakubamba.
Ya babe hard luck kuleyo ndawo le.
So thola i-Chiefs kuqala.
Chiefs uzothola kucala before i-Sundowns ne-Pirates.
Oh ngiyakubamba.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubamba.
So thina singakasitholi, they must just hold on.
Abakhohlwe.
Yeah, bayibambe la.
Abakhohlwe.
Sure, Steve.
Azizothola nini wena?
Angizosithola mfethu, ungawari, relax out yami.
Next season nje yami. Awukho CAF next season?
No ngikhona ku-CAF, ku-Confederation.
Yeah.
So mangiwina then ngizoqualify kuya la.
Or next season.
Yeah, yeah. So kumele balinde bona yabona.
Ngiyakubamba.
Yeah, but another thing is Thibos. No message nje lana ku Mr. Hugo Bros.
Okay.
I think ina ngawufunda nayo yabona. Umfethu, yeah.
Mr. Hugo Boss,
yeah.
If you smoke wrong flavor of your habli, it's not Chiefs' problem as you left out our player like Thabo Cele and Mart.
Yeah, mini Hugo Bros akekho fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, ushiye uCele oshiya nolona no Mart mfethu. Mart udlala ama game mina 28 mfethu. Akori goal eli1, uassisted 3 lo muntu. If you take it to the minutes, udlale 2080 in 18 minutes lo muntu. Udlalile yabona. Ukudlula abo nangumfana uslepe lo wePirate, but other than that angifuni ukulona yabo nali player le Pirate.
Wathatha uslepe.
Uthatha uslepe.
Of Mart.
Uslepe udlale 4 games. He just only played 4 games. Yabona, 290 minutes and 2 ama 45 minutes. then uthatha lelo player lelo. Elingana assist, elingana goal. Over Mart.
Hindoda.
Ayikho right there then. So yeah, siyacela Hugo, please my brother.
Yini inkinga yakhe nekhosi uYugo ndoda?
Hugo I think ungena ama politics engamelanga awangene awe football yabo. There is football politics
behind the scenes. So
he must not be there yabona.
Athina
awafuni ukuthi lawa swadalula yabo.
Yasoxoxe.
Yeah, so ibona bazoyihlanganisa bafowethu isikhathi masana.
Akakhethi anything ku Chiefs.
Kusho lokho ngoba i-Chiefs iwini Nedbank. Number 1, i-Chiefs iwini Nedbank. Number 2, i-Chiefs improved this season. Number 9 instead of number 10 that previous season. Yeah, you understand. So for that, I mean, he is not fair. So you need to the criteria isebenzisayo ayicheck ukuthi criteria yakhe isebenza kanjani.
Ngiyakubamba.
Sure Thibo.
Thank you.
Thank you Thibo.
Thank you.